Hello everyone, this is the solution for homework for problem 2 in homework 4. So firstly, from the problem we know that the random variable x satisfies the distribution, the uniform distribution in interval -1 and 1. And we know that y equals to gx, the random variable y equals to gx, and the PDF for the random variable y is the exponential of -y times the step function uy. So then what we want is the relation between the variable x and y. So firstly, we draw the CDF of x and y. So clearly, x satisfies the uniform distribution, and the CDF should look like this. This is a linear. This is a line between -1 and +1, and it will attain 1 when x equals 1 to 1, and will be 0 when x is smaller than -1. And then we draw the graph of the CDF of variable y. It should be look like this. So because with times because sorry. So we know the fyy equals to e minus yuy, and then we know that capital Fyy is equal to negative infinity to y. The integral between the negative infinity and y times the probability distribution function. Sorry, it should be we use x, the notation x, and it should be y minus e negative y, and this is the function of the CDF, cumulative density function. And then we draw the scratch. It should be 0 when y is smaller than 0, and it would attain 1 when y attains infinity. So this is y equals 1. Therefore, this is the plot of the CDF. So firstly, we know that if x is larger than -1 and smaller than 1, and then the fxx is between 0 and 1. If y equals to gx, then fyy should equal to fxx, where we construct a formula like this. 1 plus x over 2 equals to 1 minus the exponential of -y, and then we solve the formula, and it should be e -y equals to 1 minus 2 over 1 plus x, and it should be 1 minus x over 2, and then y is equal to negative ln 2 over 1 minus x when x is larger than negative 1 and smaller than 1. And then, if x is smaller than negative infinity, then y should be gx equal to 0. At last, when x is larger and equal to 1, the y equals gx equal to infinity. Then we have solved this. In all, gx is equal to negative ln 2 1 minus x if x is larger than negative 1 and smaller than 1. And if x is smaller than negative 1, it should be 0. Also, y is 0 because 2 over 1 minus x is equal to 1 and ln 1 is 0, so this is 0. And this is infinity when x is larger and equal to 1. Then we have already solved this problem.